hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Ashley and I'm so excited because today's video I am doing Christmas in July. We are doing some baking, I'm putting up a tree, and we are going to watch some Christmas movies. I wanted to bring you guys along and show you how we are celebrating this fun tradition. I was so excited to do this for the first time this year because here in Michigan it has been raining all summer, and I thought this would be something fun for the kids to do while being stuck inside. The first thing I want to do is find a recipe for homemade cinnamon rolls. I've always wanted to do this before, and during the holidays I've never seemed to get around to it, so I figured now is the time. The recipe I found was pretty simple. I will leave it linked in the description box if you want to try it for yourself. Before I go any further, I wanted to mention today's video is in collaboration with one of my favorite creators here on YouTube. Her name is Erin and her channel is called The Mugglebees. Erin lives in California with her husband and two beautiful children. She creates weekly homemaking videos. Her videos are not only relaxing, but they are so beautiful to watch. I'm so obsessed with her channel. Today, Erin is joining me in starting this Christmas in July tradition with her family. She is including a delicious cake recipe, and they took their tradition outdoors with some camping and activities for the kids. You are going to want to see how lovely her channel really is. So after you are done watching this video, please head over to the Mugglebees, let Erin know I sent you, and please show her lots of love. So now I have my little helper Bianca here at the KitchenAid mixer, and we are just adding in the eggs and the flour, and we are going to get this all combined so that I can roll everything out onto the counter and we can start creating our cinnamon rolls.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town, I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home.
You so excited, baby?
Yes, I'm so hungry. Can I tell you guys what we're gonna eat?
What are we gonna eat?
We're gonna eat cinnamon rolls, bacon, potatoes, and tonight we're having steak, shrimp, asparagus, and mac and cheese.
It's gonna be yummy.
And my dad, he's making his famous popcorn.
It feels just like Christmas in July, huh?
And we're gonna watch some Home Alone tonight.
That's gonna be so fun. All right, and here are the cinnamon rolls. Now we're just gonna let them sit and rise a bit for about 30 minutes while I finish preparing the rest of the food. Now that we are done with the cinnamon rolls, just waiting for them to go into the oven, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the countertops and start stacking the dishwasher.
Find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
If you are here from Erin's channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. I truly appreciate it. If you stumbled across my video or you are already a subscriber, I just wanted to thank you for every time you take time out of your day to watch one of my videos. It truly means the world to me. Today actually marks my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, so it seems so fitting to be collaborating on a Christmas themed video. I remember when the pandemic hit last year, I knew it was finally going to give me the time I needed to pursue this dream. I remember when I started my channel being so happy and shocked when I hit 100 subscribers. I never could have imagined my channel growing the way it did in its first year. I think it helps that y'all are my people and love Christmas as much as I do. It means so much to me every time you like, comment, or share one of my videos. It shows me this dream really is becoming a reality. We have gotten to know each other through comments, and if you have never introduced yourself before, please say hi, your name, where you are from, and a little bit about yourself so we can all get to know you. Thank you everyone for all of the love and support over the past year, and I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate my 1-year anniversary than with you guys in a Christmas video. Since we did this during the week, unfortunately my husband wasn't able to be here, but to go with the cinnamon rolls, we made some eggs. I did a little bit of fruit for the girls and then some crispy potatoes, which is my mom's recipe. Everything turned out delicious, but of course, since it was super heavy, I had to go ahead and make myself an iced espresso before we start decorating this tree, because y'all know I take my trees real serious. And even though I told myself I was gonna go minimal because I didn't pull out the ribbon, I kind of put a lot of ornaments on there, so I don't know how minimal it is, but we're going to get a little bit of fuel with this coffee, and then we are going to jump right in. Am I the only one who feels like iced espressos just hit different? I don't know. Like, I used to drink iced coffees, but man, an iced espresso, like, I will be ready to conquer the world. Let me know in the comments, which do you prefer? Do you like an iced coffee, an iced espresso? What is your drink of choice in the summer? So now I am just assembling the tree stand, and then we're going to go ahead and get the whole flag tree put together, and then we will start decorating.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love.
I love an artificial tree, but I do truly love the smell of a real Christmas tree. Let me know, do you guys use a real tree or an artificial tree? I have found the reason I don't usually do a real tree, on top of the fact that I decorate so early the day after Halloween, so I don't even know if it would last all the way through Christmas, but also I have found that a lot of interior decorators that I follow, they say that decorating a real tree definitely poses like different problems, as far as I like to use a ton of ornaments, a ton of ribbon, and then the branches obviously cannot support the weight of certain ornaments. So I've never really tackled it. It just seems like it would be a lot. So I love my artificial trees, but you guys know I start every tree with adding my tree topper first, and I don't actually do a tree topper. I like to add in picks or any type of greenery, anything that's just like big and dramatic. I like to place that on top first, and then I like to go through and place all of my large either bulbs or ornaments, and then I go down to the smallest. Since I have decorated so many trees over the past year, I figured let's just let the Christmas music play. I'll stop talking and we can enjoy the music while decorating the tree.
We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go.
Okay, so I still had a little bit of my favorite scent, the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine Room Spray. So I'm going to spray this all over the room, and oh my gosh, it just takes me right back to Christmas all over again.
Holiday, yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh.
So now it is the end of the day. We already had dinner. It's late at night. Steven is going to make me and the kids some of his famous popcorn. Oh my God, this popcorn is so good. And so we are just going to sit down and watch a little Home Alone. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Erin's channel, the Mugglebees. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.